Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the crude oil price prediction based on Elliott Wave Analysis. Let's see what's happening with the crude oil. Basically, we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, an impulse toward the upside on the daily finished wave A or wave 1, and followed by a W, X, and a wave Y here as the three waves corrective, and an expanding flat here finished as a wave B, meaning we are in an A, B, and we're looking for a wave C toward the downside here to hit our 0.38 Fibonacci level as a wave B or a wave 2, very likely wave B first, of course, which it might hit as well the perfect fib levels for a wave C here, 1.618, 1.38 as well, in confluence inside this area. Now, it's not going to be a very fast move. Of course, currently we see a massive drop. This is related to the news, of course. It is the start of the wave 3, and it might take even a little bit more time for an F5 here to finish up before we push for higher again. So we're going to have like kind of like a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal potentially here, that it takes more time here to finish up, of course, as this move as a wave C before we push for higher again. If we dive inside it on the 1 hour chart, we can see that the crude oil also in this impulse as expected, still unfolding the wave 3. I'm expecting also a wave 4 so far, so I would say we got one more new low here, a little bit updated, but basically this is the wave 3 where you have double 1, 2, we have wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5 finished. Potentially wave 4 might be unfolding between $79 and $82 before we dive deeper again for this wave 5. Don't forget that we might be also in a ABC here, it is already a three waves as a wave A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is also an impulse unfolding. However, we're gonna watch what's gonna happen, because of course this move here during the tension in the Middle East, it was very kind of like a triangular shape, which is very hard to call something as bearish as a motive wave. But yeah, we might have no option like a 1, 2, and a 1, 2, and yeah, this wave here is definitely three waves, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna count it 1, 2, and this is a problem with it. Therefore, I will consider this as W, X, and a Y so far until now. Your wave Y is an A, a B, and a C. The wave C might take, of course, a little bit time here to finish up. We'll take it from there. And in case the daily is working there as a wave C, expanding flat that we saw in the daily here, then we don't have any other option rather than considering those are triple 1, 2s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for major wave 3, then 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 to finish the triple 1, 2, which is of course in the same area where we have mentioned in the daily here, 0.38 for an expanding flat wave C to hit the $44. Yep, so that was it for the crude oil, the daily, and the 1 hour chart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.